Here is how you can build a publishing empire with Claude AI. If you've ever thought about publishing your own book but felt overwhelmed by the process, trust me, you're not alone. I've been there. But today, I'm going to show you how I used Claude Opus 4, one of the most advanced AI models available, to create a complete, professionally formatted, publish-ready book. No hype, no gimmicks, just practical tools that can help you write better, faster, and smarter. Let me walk you through how it happened. When I started, I simply asked Claude to help me create an actionable guide. No fluff, just clear steps anyone could follow. What Claude delivered was the Claude AI Book Blueprint, a structured 30-page manual designed specifically around the Opus method, something it created itself. Here's how this method works in practice. First, you outline with precision, getting your idea into a clear, actionable framework. Then produce in stages, chapter by chapter, scene by scene, so your book stays coherent and compelling. Next is unify through revision, where Claude helps you refine your draft into something polished and professional. Finally, structure for publishing, formatting your manuscript perfectly for whatever platform you chose. What sets this apart is Claude's structured prompt system, inspired by XML tags. For instance, to outline a mystery novel, you could use something like this. Genre, mystery audience, adults who enjoy psychological thrillers, length, 70,000 words, style, inspiration, Gillian Flynn Publishing, goal, Amazon, KDP. Then you could say, provide a detailed outline including 3 acts, pivotal moments, and character arcs. Claude responds immediately, not with generic suggestions, but with a detailed, actionable outline tailored specifically to your request. But it doesn't stop there. Claude employs multi-stage development, meaning it helps you progressively add depth to your manuscript, crafting detailed scenes, building rich character profiles, and weaving intricate subplots seamlessly. When you're ready to refine your manuscript, its built-in 3-pass revision system comes into play. Structural edits, line-level adjustments, and a final polish, all guided by clear, straightforward prompts. One of my favorite features is the troubleshooting section. Common issues like inconsistent voice, weak motivations, or slow middle sections can derail a great book. Claude identifies these issues and provides solutions, making the revision process much simpler and more effective. And if you're planning to publish on Amazon KDP, the guide even includes specific formatting prompts that ensure your manuscript meets professional publishing standards, from front matter to back matter. Let's show a few examples in the troubleshooting section because honestly, it's one of the best tools Claude provides. Let's say I'm struggling with inconsistent character voice. Here's the kind of prompt we should use. Voice analysis. Compare these two excerpts from different chapters. Analyze vocabulary complexity, sentence structure patterns, tone shifts, and POV consistency. Suggest specific improvements for harmonizing voice across chapters. See that? Claude not only identifies specific inconsistencies, but offers actionable suggestions for improvement. Now let's look at another common issue, saggy middle syndrome. Here's how Claude tackles it. Pacing diagnosis. Review chapters 10 through 15 for pacing issues. Identify plot advancement scenes, redundant conversations, missing conflicts, and subplot integration issues. Provide a tension chart rating each chapter from 1 to 10. Again, Claude gives me a clear diagnosis and practical solutions. Finally, let's quickly tackle the dreaded info dumping issue with a single prompt. Identify passages over 200 words of exposition or backstory that halt the narrative momentum. Suggest how these could be rewritten into active scenes to maintain reader engagement. This troubleshooting capability alone can save you hours, maybe even days of editing. And it's just one of the many tools included in the Claude AI Book Blueprint. The goal here isn't just speed or quantity, it's quality. You really can build a publishing empire with Claude. But writing with Claude has transformed the way I approach book creation, making the process enjoyable rather than overwhelming. If you're serious about publishing your own work, but you're struggling, the Claude AI Book Blueprint can help. If you're interested in checking out the blueprint yourself, there's a link below. I truly appreciate you watching today. I'm off to build something amazing with Claude, and I hope you do too. Until next time.